Okay, so finally I have received the screen protectors for this phone, and that is none other than the Samsung Galaxy S5, as you can tell in the video title. So now I can just cut into this and put into the phone. I'm not going to do it on camera because I decided to actually record with the phone itself, so I will not be applying them on camera. Whoa. Okay. And that's all. Probably one of the shortest videos I've ever made in a long time. Well, actually, considering that this is Atazaka, short videos like this aren't unusual on this brand. But you know what? Let's get a close up. Los Angeles. That's where Illumishield is based? Interesting. Alright, video's over.